Hey guys, it's just Demo here, and today I'm with my buddy Dev. He's the one that originally started this with me. If you go back and watch like my thermistor video, that now actually has 800 views. It's kind of neat. He was my cameraman, and Breezy was around then, but she never really helped, and she's obviously been my camera girl here for a while. But she's busy tonight, and he wanted to help me out, make another video. So as you can see, kind of got a problem here. I don't have a headlight right now, which is okay because right there's another one, but I'm actually going to go ahead and replace both. I'm going to kind of show you guys how to do that. And then we have these little pods. They're going to go on this new bumper that I got with the winch, and they should really help. I can show you guys because they've got these weird battery packs, just how bright they really are. We'll definitely show you some video tonight as it's getting dark out anyways, and we can just go from there. So the way you have to do these, it's not like a newer vehicle. This whole thing has to come out to be replaced. You don't just have the little bulb like other places do, or like new vehicles do. But right over here, right in there, is a screw. This is, I don't know why this is off a little bit. There's a screw there, there's a screw right there, and there's a screw right there. And that'll take off this outside part here, and then you'll be able to unplug this light. Be careful not to lose that sucker. Oh, well, I guess on these ones it's just that one little bolt, and then right there you can see that latches right on over here. And then if you come around over here, you can see where as I was unscrewing that, it was popping this out. So we'll go up here and unscrew this, or actually this one next, and then we'll pop this bulb out. So then that'll just pop off, and then if you come over here, you can see the connector right here. It's like 3 prongs. Pop that off, and then we'll pop in the new one. Junior, how I told him I didn't want to. Hold on, let me check and hold that in. It's on. Cool. So basically now we're just going to reverse the process and we'll have our new headlight in. And there you guys have it. It takes about 3 minutes as long as you don't lose screws like we did. I am going to eventually do this one even though it's still working, and just keep that one as a backup just so I have matching lights. But yeah, there we go. So that's all done. I just wanted to show you guys how to do that real quick.